This is a love reading for you, Gemini, for July to August. In this reading, I'm going to do a heart shape spread for you and your love interest. So, please note that this is a general reading and everything will not resonate as it is with all Gemini, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. So, who are you, Gemini, in the relationship? Who is your partner? What is the strength and challenges you bring, your partner brings? How do you both see each other? Or what is the opinion you both have about each other? What is the hope or fear you have about the future together? And your partner likewise has about you. What is the past you are coming from, your partner is coming from, and how's overall the guidance for the love reading? So there is a very beautiful guidance which is showing up, and it is telling me that Gemini, if things are not working out at home or with your love interest, you are not someone who's sitting and sulking or feeling sad or feeling lonely. You are going out with your friends and having a party. You are someone who's continuing to make plans with your acquaintances or just people you're working with, and you don't want to carry something that is not working at home with your partner, too far or very deep into your heart. You are continuing to enjoy yourself. Your partner, on the other hand, when there is a fight or when he or she is not happy, tends to tell you to leave them alone, give me some space, maybe I don't feel like talking right now. So he or she does sulk away more or quite a lot after some conflict or just the way some things may not go right. But you are complete opposite, Gemini. You are someone who will go out party, call up friends and say, oh, I am all free, we can go out here, we can go out there, my partner is not available, so we have all the time, let's hang out together. So I'm just saying how the two of you react very differently to a certain conflict or a downtime. Also, as a partner to Gemini, I'm just saying that you reject very deeply. It's like if things are not as you want them to be, you can get very bitter and you can even throw things out which you like or you are emotionally attached to, just to get over this initial bitterness. So you can destroy a lot when you are angry or in conflict. Some of you may have broken some very precious gifts from a loved one or even from a Gemini in a fight, and then when things get over, so whatever damage is done, you can get quite taken over by a certain bitterness. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring, Gemini, to the relationship, and what is your partner bringing? You're not someone who will forgive easily. So, here I'm saying is that when you are in a fight or a conflict, you tend to not go down in the energy levels, or you like to make some plans and just go out and hang out. It's also because you don't forgive very easily, Gemini. When you get angry, then you really get angry. So you try to stay in a very positive, happy energy so that you don't go into a deep diving energy of emotional energy of forgiving or not forgiving, because you can be someone, then if you get too angry at some point, you will not forgive. So, if you see, till now I have taken out 4 cards, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and out of that 3 cards are all cup cards, which is emotions. So you both are very real, very emotional, and smallest of things affect the two of you very deeply. So you're very sensitive set of people, and emotions are very raw between the two of you. I'm also seeing that there may be great love that you're experiencing, and that's why the emotions run so high. One of the challenges your partner brings is he or she is more homebound. It's like on a good day, your partner likes to be more at home than be going out. He or she is not a outdoor person, not an extrovert, and likes to his or her time being at home, maybe watching TV or just doing some knitting work or just playing some music or doing some computer work or some computer games. He or she is an introvert or just likes to be more indoors than outdoors. So I'm just saying this guidance. And on a good day, if you tell your partner that let's go travel somewhere, he or she says, what is missing here? We could go to a park close by, we could just go shopping here, something like that. So you're not much of a traveler also. Now, how do you see your partner, Gemini, and how does your partner see you? You see your partner as very, very supportive. So it's like Gemini, when you are making a plan and you're telling your partner that, look, I am planning to start this business, or I'm planning to do this course, or I'm planning to go meet this friend, or I'm planning to go travel here, whatever plan that you're making, you see your partner as very, very supportive. He or she says, why not go already, you know take so much money, make a call to this person, ask them how to do it. So you find your partner as someone very, very supportive. He or she very readily or quickly agrees to your plans. So some of you, even if you give the dumbest of plans, your partner will rarely object or interrupt. He or she is okay with wherever you want to go, and they are very supportive of it. They are like, okay, if you want to go ahead. You want to do this course, do it. If you want to go meet this person or travel so far and be with someone, why not, or go meet your parents, or call somebody over, do it. So your partner rarely disagrees with you. Very supportive, and amazingly empowering guidance that I'm seeing here. You love your partner for this. This is a great energy of support, and I don't see your partner nags you or stops you from doing anything. Now, how does your partner see you? Your partner feels that even if some things are not working out, Gemini, you tend to make it look like they're working fine, there is no problem, all is good, when that may not be the truth. So your partner feels that you could tell, or you should express problems when there are problems, and not play it as if there are no problems. So your partner feels that you just give a impression all is good when lot of times things are not okay or good. And your partner also feels you don't tell your problems to too many people. So he or she expects you to open up or ask for help as and when needed. Now let us see what is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future with each other. You both are thinking about the future together, and it's not a smooth ride. It's like you are thinking, Gemini, that maybe I could impress the partner like this, or say like this, and then maybe the two of us can be together, or make this relationship more permanent, or make it going in some way. And some of you are also scared that what if I tell a lie and my partner catches me? Because you are so deeply in love with your partner, you also fear losing your partner to some lie or just something that you may not tell. So you're still working on this energy. Maybe as you both open up, or you both build very deep bond, this energy will go away. Your partner may have expressed to you, Gemini, that he or she wants to relocate, or wants to go someplace more quiet, more calm, more away from crowd. So I'm just seeing that This is the expectation your partner has, put in front of you, that I want to relocate. If we were to move in together, or we are to get married, or we were to have children, then I want us to be relocating here. So your partner may have spoken to you about some kind of relocation. Now, what is the past you are coming from, and what is the past your partner is coming from? You missed a certain opportunity in the past, Gemini, and that opportunity was to bond with some set of people, whether it was for work, whether it was for some friendship to mature in some way. You have missed out on a certain celebration. I'm also seeing some of you regret not having attended a friend's wedding, or a friend's some very important celebration, or some kind of a holiday of some sort. So you regret that. In the past, I'm seeing your partner is coming from also a big regret of not having taken up a job opportunity when it showed up, which was a high paying job, but did not seem so initially or at that time. So your partner has very big regret of not having taken up a certain job opportunity or a business opportunity, and therefore did not make as much money, or is not into so much money as he or she could have been. So there is a regret about that. Now, what is the overall guidance from the tarot cards for this love connection? You both are very severe with each other. Emotionally, you both are expecting a countdown of breath also, that yesterday you took so many breaths, today you have taken just so many, or something like that, or yesterday you said this, but today you did not say this. You both are coming down very severely on each other, or expecting too much from each other. You both need to just give each other a lot of space. I'm seeing there is a lot of promise in this relationship, and your partner is very supportive, and you are very happy-go-lucky person, Gemini. You don't want to suffocate each other with too many questions or emotional, just something too emotional, or asking or being needy unnecessarily. This is also a guidance of just saying something very nasty and then damaging a person emotionally. It's telling me that you both need to take guard against a bad word, or just something too extreme, or severe doesn't get said in a fight or a conflict. So just take guard of that, else the relationship is looking good to me, and it is continuing to progress very slow and steady.